Nosy 30 guys, let's get it. What we got here? Oh, it's a Challenger, guys. I don't want to show the guy car, but from what I'm seeing, this guy always up to something. Oh, this is a stick, guys. Yes, the transmission has been removed. Okay, I don't know, clutch issues maybe, throw out bearing, who knows. We hardly have any problems out of these guys as far as internal gears. I mean, you got to really not know how to operate a standard shift stick transmission to clash and break gears and synchronizers and things like that. But okay, guys, this is where the crankshaft sensor lives. Okay, look at that, the bearings. Okay, look at the starter, man. Starters are so not the same as they used to be. I'm sure it's hard and a pain in the butt to get to, but my man, of course the exhaust got to come out, guys. That's pretty common. Where's the clutch? I don't see a, oh, here it is. Hey, what we doing over here? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What the hell? Oh goodness. Whoa. Alright guys. Could be a little foul play. I don't know. I don't judge. Okay, but from the look of that, yeah, that's not okay. So the internal, this is the one I think we barely got it in. I think we end up finished pushing it in the rest of the way. It's not that the clutch is burnt out, the clutch plate rather, but the pressure plate. Wow. Okay, buddy. Haven't seen one like that in a while. Something. Whoa. See, again, I don't judge. A lot of people quick to yell foul play, he's dogging out, he's burning it out, because this has the powerful Hemi in it. This might be the 392. Yeah, it was extremely loud coming in. We had to push it in the rest of the way, but okay, I'm gonna leave that one alone because I want to say something that I probably shouldn't, but we'll see, guys. Let me go this way. All right, let's move right along. And welcome back, guys. Y'all remember the pressure plate fiasco? Yeah, pressure plates are not supposed to do that. As y'all can see, we have a new one right here, guys. Yes, parts came in. Now guys, let me tell y'all something. What's very important about when you're installing one of these, you almost have to have the perfect size. Now I know they make universal alignment tools, but guys, be careful. You really want to be on point with this. I mean, you can take a stab at it. Like, I've been known to set it up there and bolt it down fairly easy, but when you do that, you just have to fight. Just have to fight more. You're putting a whole new everything in them. You have to fight more trying to get the splines to line up. So it's not difficult, it's not impossible. You guys that do clutches all the time, y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, he replacing the whole 9 yard. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to be. Now again, I refuse to comment on what my speculations on what's happened. Okay, but yes, you gotta. That is one of the most important things as far as trying to avoid from having a lot of trouble. Like I say, it's doable without a clutch alignment tool, but in order to make your life simpler and easier, and you can go to bed at night with no headaches and a good conscience. Just want to make your life, make it as easy as possible, guys. Try not to nick none of these splines because they are very important. Any kind of small little nick will make your life a living hell. But now I can't do that, but I like to hear you guys' thoughts. I can't speculate. Not I can't, I shouldn't, okay? Because I'm in a different position than you guys. Anybody want to take a stab at this? And try to. I need to have gloves on, but I'm about to go wash up and clean up and go home because it's. Anybody want to take a stab at this? Caper, where you at, Caper? This guy's garage. Who else out there? All you cats out there. 6'9" Dart Man. Dart Hemi. Okay, this is a Hemi product. God, I don't want to leave nobody out, but y'all know who y'all are. All my buddies out there. Anybody want to take a stab at this as far as what happened? Keep in mind, we had to tow the car in because it wouldn't pull. I think he had first gear sometime. He had minor little gears. By the time he got in the shop, that was a wrap. He stopped pulling. So that's when it was obvious the pull was related from the transmission, which this happened to be a stick manual transmission. Now I would say this is a Challenger, guys. I can't put the car on the video, but this is a Challenger, and take a stab at it, guys, with a powerful engine. Okay, y'all can see this. Yeah, everybody can see this. Now, based off knowing that, just those two factors alone, it's a Challenger. I can't see. 392 maybe. Not 345. I don't know. It's in the air. But you guys, y'all take a stab at this. What do y'all think happened? I will refrain from incriminating myself and guessing on what I think happened. So I'll let you guys enjoy it. Now, notice, guys, the springs in the clutch part is not, although it's noisy, but I mean, it sounds like springs. But this is the main. If there's no pressure on the clutch and the flywheel to allow, to allow the movement, then yes, you will have no movement. Okay, so anybody want to take a stab? Tell me what y'all think happened. Put in the comments, guys. I'm interested. I want to know. I have my own theory of what happened, but like I say, I'm not obligated to say because I could incriminate myself. All right. Let me know, guys. I'm going this way. Stay tuned.